Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to download and install Spotify in Android. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an update from us. First of all, tap on Google Play Store. And on the top you'll find the search box. Tap on it and type Spotify and hit search. Then you will find Spotify Music and Podcast. Tap on Install. And again, a new pop-up will open. And again tap on this Install. Within few time, the app will be downloaded to our smartphone. You can see here it has started downloading in my phone. As soon as it is downloaded, the system will automatically install Spotify in our Android device. In this way, we can download and install Spotify in Android. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.